Hey guys, Miss Kayla here, and welcome to the Map House, aka House of Map, aka the crib. And as you can see, I'm here in my living room, and I'll be taking you guys on a journey to explore some of the awesome activities that we have for you guys. Project Sketch, 60 Seconds of Science, Physical Education, Map-Made Meals, and so many more activities that I know you're gonna love. But first, I have a little secret for you. Come a little closer. You can win prizes and even get featured in some of the videos by just watching and a little bit of participation. So, before we get started, let me introduce you guys to some of the awesome leaders that is gonna help us with this future fun. Follow me. This is Mr. Joseph here. You want to tell our house guests what they can expect this school year?
Hi guys, I just want to let you know we're going to be doing different drills this season, like basketball, football, and other different things that you can do at home to make sure that you guys stay fit and active during the time of this pandemic. So I hope you have fun and enjoy yourselves.
Looks like it's already open. Hey, this is Miss Nicole. And could you tell our house guests what they can expect this school year?
Sure. You can expect some photography, some painting, some sketches, and a little bit of music.
And this is Mr. Manny. Could you let our house guests know what they can expect?
Hey guys, welcome to the Map House. We're going to be working on fun and easy nutritional snacks and meals, and we really look forward to you guys joining us. You guys have a good one.
And this is Mr. Joey. You want to tell our house guests what they can expect?
Hello students, welcome to 67 Seconds of Simple Science, where you'll be doing some fun and engaging activities, something like this.
All right, you guys. So you saw what you can expect this school year, and I hope to see you next week. Tune in, please. And again, welcome.
Welcome. Hello and welcome.
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 Tune in every afternoon, Monday through Friday for new Map TV videos.